So the just reward, right? We got tri-tip sandwiches at Cold Springs at the finish line.
Oh, yeah.
So let's recap real quick. We got the Matador and the Law both looping their bike.
First loop.
Close up, first loop. We got that awesome hill climb, right?
The top of that hill climb,
Uh-huh.
did you see me like going like this?
Yeah.
Like pick it up?
Yeah.
And you're just like, whoa.
Nah,
I'm just a pushy.
that's exactly
That's what I
how.
heard.
That's how I ride most of the time. Mine doesn't. Mine doesn't.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night. Race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly. We'll fly away, away, away. Yeah, we'll
That's what happens when you put a motocross guy on a dual sport. Sounds like carnage up ahead. Oh, he's gonna roof me. Oh, I knew Let's go to that hill climb.
up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories, lost in time, racing all these broken dreams tonight, and we'll fly.
Once I get to the top, if I get to the top.
I will fly.
With a bald tire going down this crap. Crazy. That's exactly how it runs from the factory.